Café Brera has been searching for the perfect cup of coffee since 1991, and today that search lies with Notes Coffee Roasters. We only import the finest coffee from all around the world, and for those coffee enthusiasts, it is important you know where your coffee is from and how it is made. We have combined two specialty coffees to create this unique blend. Our coffees come from two countries, Brazil and Honduras. The blend consists of 75% Monte Cristo from Brazil and 25% El Chupadero from Honduras. The Brazilian coffee offers its sweet nutty chocolate flavor, and the Honduran coffee has a nice black cherry aroma, which complements the Brazilian coffee very well. A full-body espresso with notes of chocolate, marmalade sweetness and black cherry. We blend all our coffee post-roast. This means we roast the coffee separately before combining them together. This protects the coffee's organic flavors and qualities, thus creating this wonderful blend. In addition, every coffee is graded on a scale from 0 to 100 points. Any coffee that scores over 80 points is considered specialty coffee. The Café Brera blend has scored 87% points on the specialty scale, making this coffee not only unique but high quality. So what are you waiting for? Grab your coffee today from Café Brera.